Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak, and today in this video I will show you how to fix if your WhatsApp notification not showing on your phone display. To fix the notification problem we will follow few steps. So without wasting time, let's start. First step, make sure do not disturb option is turned off. If do not disturb option is turned on, then no notification will show on your phone display. So this is the first step, make sure do not disturb option is on or off. If it is on, then off it. Second step, make sure app background data is not restricted. For doing this, go to your phone settings, go to apps, app management or apps and notification according to your device setting, and from the list find out WhatsApp application. After finding, click on WhatsApp. Now click on mobile data and Wi-Fi or data usage according to your device settings. Now turn off unrestricted data usage and turn on background data. This setting will not be same on all devices, so you remove restricted data according to your phone settings. After that, go to notification and make sure have alert all notification. After following the step, hopefully your notification problem will be solved. But if not solved, then you follow my third step, and this is the last step to fix notification problem. Go to phone settings, go to systems and additional settings. Click on reset option, and here simply reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. And also reset app performance. Guys, this setting may be not similar in all devices. You maybe have reset system settings, so you reset your system according to your device system. After following the step, hopefully your notification problem solved 100%. Guys, let me comment which step worked for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.